Hey science explorers, I'm Pranath and welcome to Flux, where learning is fast, fun, and fascinating. You don't need a lab coat or a PhD, just a curious mind. Ever wondered how bizarre your body is or what strange abilities animals have? Today, we're diving into the weirdest facts in biology. These aren't just trivia, they're windows into the wild systems that make life possible. From glowing humans to multi-hearted sea creatures, get ready to see yourself, and the world, differently. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with your stomach, a real-life chemical reactor. The hydrochloric acid inside you is so strong it can dissolve metal, with a pH as low as 1.5. This acid kills harmful microbes and helps break down food, activating enzymes like pepsin for protein digestion. But why doesn't it eat through your stomach? Because you've got a thick, alkaline mucus layer protecting your stomach lining. Plus, your stomach lining regenerates every few days, constantly repairing itself. It's a perfect balanced destructive power and self-preservation, all happening 24/7. Next time your stomach rumbles, remember you're hosting a mini chemical plant. For NEET students, parietal cells secrete HCl, chief cells make pepsinogen, classic exam material. Your body is a marvel of engineering. Let's move on. Here's a twist. Babies have more bones than adults. You're born with about 300 bones, but as you grow, many fuse together, leaving adults with 206. This fusion gives babies flexibility for birth and growth, then transforms into a strong adult skeleton. The skull is a great example. Soft plates at birth fuse into a solid cranium. The same happens in your spine, hands, and pelvis. It's not about losing bones but consolidating them for strength. Evolution at its finest, flexibility first, then stability. For NEET, this process is called ossification. Your skeleton is a masterpiece of design. Look around, see that dust? A lot of it is you. You shed about 40,000 skin cells every minute, over 50 million a day. That's nearly 4 kilograms of dead skin a year, left behind on beds, clothes, and furniture. This process, called desquamation, keeps your skin healthy and your defenses strong. New skin cells rise up from below, pushing out the old ones in a month-long cycle. Your skin is your largest organ and your first barrier against the world. So, while it's a little gross, it's also a sign your body is working perfectly. Next time you dust, remember you're cleaning up your own biological history. For NEET, know your epidermis layers, from stratum basal to stratum corneum. You're not just living biology, you're shedding it. On to the next fact. Ready for a mind bender? If you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it would reach 20 billion kilometers. Enough to go to the sun and back over 65 times. Each cell packs about 2 meters of DNA into a nucleus smaller than a speck of dust. This is possible thanks to super efficient packaging. DNA wraps around histones, coils into chromatin, and forms chromosomes. Every cell division means perfectly copying and packing this massive code. Any mistake can have big consequences, so the process is tightly controlled. You're a walking library of information, nature's ultimate data storage. Your DNA holds the instructions for everything about you. It's the most complex, compact information system we know, and you carry it everywhere! Meet the octopus, nature's three-hearted wonder. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills, while a third, the systemic heart, sends oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue thanks to copper, not iron. Here's the twist. When an octopus swims, its main heart stops beating, making swimming exhausting. That's why they prefer crawling to swimming long distances. This unique system supports their active, intelligent lifestyle. Evolution custom-built their anatomy for ocean life. 3 hearts, blue blood, and a heart that naps. Biology doesn't get much weirder. The octopus is proof that life finds wild solutions. Let's keep exploring. Believe it or not, you glow in the dark, just not enough to see. Humans emit faint biophotons as a byproduct of metabolism, especially during cellular respiration. Japanese scientists captured this glow with ultra-sensitive cameras. The glow fluctuates with your circadian rhythm, strongest in the afternoon, weakest in the morning. Your face glows the most, possibly due to melanin or sun exposure. We don't know exactly why, but it's a fascinating mystery. Maybe one day doctors will use this glow for diagnosis. For now, it's a cool reminder. Your cells are always buzzing with energy. You're a star, just a very dim one. On to the next marvel. Goosebumps, those tiny bumps when you're cold or emotional, are a relic from our furry ancestors. Tiny muscles contract, making hairs stand up, piloerection, once useful for warmth and intimidation. In animals, this fluffs up fur for insulation or makes them look bigger to threats. For us, it's a vestigial reflex. No real use, just a leftover from evolution. It's triggered by the same system that handles fight or flight. Goosebumps are a living link to our evolutionary past. Next time you shiver, remember you're carrying ancient biology on your skin. Let's keep going. Your heart is more than a pump, it's a self-starter. Individual heart cells, cardiomyocytes, can beat on their own, even outside the body. This property, called automaticity, comes from the heart's built-in pacemaker, the SA node. Even isolated cells will synchronize and beat together if placed near each other. This decentralized system keeps your heart reliable for a lifetime. If one part fails, others can take over. For NEET know the cardiac conduction system, SA node, AV node, Purkinje fibers. Your heart just wants to beat, no matter what. Humans heal, but some animals take it to the next level. Regrowing limbs, tails, even parts of their brain. Starfish can regrow arms, and sometimes a whole new body from a single limb. Salamanders can regenerate legs, tails, jaws, and even eye and brain tissue. They use stem cell-like cells to rebuild, not just patch up. Scientists hope to unlock these secrets for human medicine. Imagine regrowing skin, nerves, or limbs. The key lies in genetic pathways and immune responses. We share many of the same genes, but our regeneration switches off after development. Studying these animals could revolutionize healing. Biology might one day let us truly rebuild. Your brain is an energy hog, just 2% of your weight, but it uses 20% of your calories. It runs on about 20 watts, the same as a dim light bulb. Most of that energy powers neuron communication, 86 billion neurons firing non-stop. That's why thinking hard is genuinely tiring. Your brain is burning real fuel. It's vulnerable to any drop in oxygen or glucose. So when you're mentally exhausted, it's not just in your head, it's biology. Take breaks, stay fueled, and keep that light bulb shining. Your brain is the most powerful computer on Earth, powered by your last meal. Science is full of surprises, and we've just scratched the surface. From stomach acid to glowing skin, biology is stranger than fiction. Which fact blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Gene Flux for more science-packed videos. Thanks for joining me today, explorers. Stay curious. See you next time.